Hey everyone, welcome back to Garden Ideas. In this video, we will learn how to grow Bougainvillea from cutting, what is the best time to prune, and how to get maximum flowering on any Bougainvillea plant. Also, we will show how to do grafting with some fertilizers. Watch video till end to see all the information. Bougainvillea plant is a hardy plant and can be grown through cutting easily. Selection of cutting is very important. Try to select the semi-wood or the hardwood cutting. Now it's time to remove the bark from the base so that our bougainvillea can get maximum surface area to produce roots. Removing of bark also allows your bougainvillea cutting to absorb much part of the water so that its cutting stay hydrated. Applying rooting hormone to the base of our bougainvillea cutting will help to get 99% of the result. Dip your bougainvillea cutting in water. This will make your rooting hormone to get stick on it. Now take a small brush and apply your rooting hormone. Selecting of small pot is important and soil mix will be 60% soil and 40% coco peat. Dip your cutting deeply in the pot. This will make your bark area also to grow roots and also the area which we have provided. Make sure your cutting is tight enough and does not move while watering or any other movement. It's time to give water to our cutting. Try to give right amount of water and try to maintain moisture in the soil until your cutting does not grow. And finally, after 20 days, we can see the green new branches and our cutting is much more healthier than before. We can see so many of the shoots, but we will make sure that our cutting is 100% growing. We will wait for some more days. After 30 days, we are much more confident about our cutting has grown long and strong shoots. Now we will do a small trimming so that our cutting get in shape, and also we will add some more fertilizer. We'll do a soft pruning. In this we will keep 2 to 3 shoot area which will allow much more branches to grow, and we will do trimming of whole cutting. After pruning our bougainvillea cutting, this will make your bougainvillea cutting to stimulate more growth hormone and we will see more branches. And giving a organic and healthy fertilizer is very important to any of our cutting. To get maximum flowering on any bougainvillea plant, it requires time to time pruning, and also this will make your plant look healthy enough. Pruning of your bougainvillea will make your bougainvillea look healthy enough as it will produce multiple branches, and multiple branches will have multiple flowering. Bougainvillea pruning allows bougainvillea to produce multiple branches. Here you can see pruning was just done 10 days before and we can see so many of the new leaves. And now we can see our plant has grown so many of the leaves. Now it requires fertilizer because the whole energy is gone in producing leaf. The macro and micronutrients will be covered with this fertilizer. You can use tea or you can just simply take 2 spoons of fresh tea. Take a small bowl, add tea fertilizer in it and mix it with water. Keep it for 24 hours and you will see the result. We will make 2 fertilizer at a time. Now it's time to make our mustard cake fertilizer. Add 100 gram of mustard cake in water and also keep it for 24 hours. Adding water in mustard cake will allow mustard cake nutrients to dissolve in water and plant can easily absorb them. After 24 hours, both fertilizer are ready to give to our bougainvillea plant. Both fertilizer are highly concentrated. You can add the same amount of water in it and you can give it to your plants. In 8 to 10 inches size pot, we can give half liter of water of this fertilizer and your plant are good to go. Keep your plant in full sunlight. This will make your bougainvillea bloom. Can you see the result? This is the simple and easy way to get maximum blooming on any bougainvillea. Our all bougainvillea plant has started flowering. You will see the result in all the plants. Bougainvillea grafting is very hard. Do it properly. For this we require a cutter, a grafting tape, a sanitizer and a hard pruner. For grafting we must select a perfect branch, not too small, not too big. A pencil size branch will do the best. Remove all the small branches from nearby. This will help you to do grafting easily. Select the branch from other bougainvillea with a different color. Here we are selecting an orange color flower. Now with the sharp paper cutter, make a V cut on our branch. Try to remove it but do not break your branch. And the same V we have to make on our mother plant. Both V cut must be 1 inches in length. This will make the maximum contact in both the branch and you will get a 100% result. To make V cut on our mother plant, you have to place your paper cutter in center of your branch and do a seesaw action so that your branch get enough amount of V cut. Take a closer look, see how we can insert the branch on our mother plant. Do not break your mother plant, the V cut, and with a slight pressure you can stick your branch in the middle of your mother branch. 50% of the grafting is complete. Now we have to take a grafting tape and cover our branches. We have to cover our grafting area. This will not allow moisture to go away from your branches. Tie it very tightly so that no water loss is done, and you have to keep your cutting in shady environment for few days. Finally, we have completed our grafting. Now we have to cover this with a small poly bag. This will make temperature fluctuation in control and also this will stop the moisture loss. Cover the full grafting area and tie this poly bag with a small rubber band, and this will help your plastic poly bag to stay at its place. You will get result after nearly 1 to 2 months, and keep your plant in shady environment. This will make your plant to get 100% result. Here we are with orange flower and also with the red flower. We can also purchase a grafting bougainvillea from local nursery, but they are in very high cost. So you can do the grafting by yourself and you will get a beautiful bougainvillea at your home. The cost of grafted bougainvillea in India is nearly 4 to 5,000 rupees. So try to make it by yourself. Happy gardening.